Okay, let's talk about infections and sickle cell disease. And like we mentioned, a lot of children with sickle cell disease tend to be immune compromised. They are constantly battling uh, malaria, typhoid, salmonella, strep. Their lung function, their lung capacity is compromised as well. And as a matter of fact, they say that many of the deaths in sickle cell disease as a result of lung acute, what they call acute chest syndrome. So it's our job really to, as the quote says, make the immune cells large and strong. The quote actually says, make men large and strong. And tyranny will bankrupt itself, trying to make shackles for it. Make men large and strong, and tyranny will bankrupt itself in trying to make shackles for it. Well, we're going to use that same philosophy when it comes to the immune cells. And what we know is this: everybody has infection, everybody has one stupid virus or bacteria that's trying to run haywire and trying to mess the guy's day up. So we have let's assume that these are like bad guys, all right? So they're coming out and they're attacking the body and with their pitchforks and all those things, as in the malaria. What we need to do is empower the body so that the immune cells will first of all, they need to be able to recognize that this is an alien and recognize that these are bad cells. So the immune cells need to be strong. Let's do this. So we need strong immune cells so that they can, see these cells and then, neutralize them, send out ballistic missiles and destroy them. If these immune cells are not able to recognize these cells, they won't be able to do that. Now, if you notice, many kids, when they go do their full blood count, they find a lot of increased activity in the different white blood cells, which of course are the immune cells. Almost without exception, and I've seen quite a few of them, almost without exception, they have high levels of this. The problem is that they are still overwhelmed. They don't have enough of the other cells to take care of these bacteria. And so what we want to do is we want to boost not just their number, but boost their activity. And that's why we say large and strong, not just in terms of absolute numbers now, but in terms of strength and ability, so that they can actually locate, identify, and destroy these cells. Next.